To power on your diesel heater, press the main power button on your switchboard. The diesel heater LCD screen will then power on. To turn the diesel heater on, press the power button on the bottom right hand corner. To set and adjust your temperature, turn the dial clockwise to increase temperature and anti-clockwise to lower temperature. The unit will automatically reach the set temperature set and maintain it constantly. Your temperature range is from 8 to 36 degrees. To prime your diesel heater, press your main power button on your switch panel on. The diesel heater LCD screen will then turn on. Wait for the screen to turn off. Once the screen is turned off, press and hold the fuel button on the bottom left corner of the LCD screen until a P symbol appears. Once the P symbol appears, the pump will run for 90 seconds and then tries to go to normal startup mode. You can do another prime if the diesel doesn't arrive to the diesel heater after the first prime process. The diesel heater will fire automatically when the diesel arrives to the unit. This will not cause over-priming because the glow plug heats at the same time during this process. To power off the diesel heater, press the power button on the bottom right hand corner of the LCD screen. The diesel heater will now start its shutdown procedure. During its shutdown procedure, it will flash off on the screen indicating it's cooling down. The unit will continue to blow cold air until the unit says, "Thanks for using, enjoy your journey." Your diesel heater will then have shut down correctly, and this will prevent any carbon buildup in your diesel heater. To drain your diesel heater tank, unscrew the hose clamp located under the fuel tank with a 7mm socket or a flathead screwdriver. Have a container ready to catch your fuel, then remove the fuel line. To service your diesel heater, locate your diesel filter on the driver's side of your caravan. Unscrew the two hose clamps with a flathead screwdriver or a 7mm socket. To clean the filter, unscrew the ends and pull out the internal filter. To clean the filter, place in a container of diesel and to give the components a shake. Reassemble the fuel filter and install back on the fuel line, making sure the arrow is pointing towards the fuel pump and the filter side is towards the front of the van. Tighten up the two hose clamps. The fuel filter is now cleaned and you just need to reprime the system. For any more information, refer back to the AU Focus diesel heater manual that would have been given to you on your handover pack.